Hello, this is Timed Edge, and I am just doing a requested video on a trade setup I took on Wednesday and explaining the open, high, low, close theory. Here you have it in front of me, the anatomy of a candlestick. The candle bar opens, creates a high, drops low, and then close. This is obviously a bearish candle, and the same with in reverse. You could have open, low, high, close. That would be a bullish bar. So using that theory, you can frame trade ideas and you can profile the market. Here we have on Wednesday, you can see I've got the timed edge indicator loaded up to the chart. You can see the arrow above here. That indicates SMT, and at the moment 6E is broken above previous day's high, 6B is trading above previous day's high, and 6S is below. That's why we're getting this. It's a big liquidity pool, previous day's highs and lows, 4-hour highs and lows, weekly highs and lows, monthly highs and lows, massive liquidity pools. For me, previous day was a range daily profile. That means I need to see stacked confluence in order to get a trade. So something like a sequential SMT on a higher time frame, and then drop down to a lower time frame, which would probably be the hourly, and with time and try and get a trade. So let me play price. So it's 8 o'clock London time in the morning. That's a key swing point for a reversal. I'm going to mark the high and the low of this candle. If you've studied CRT, you'll know exactly what I'm doing. If you don't, I suggest you go and have a little in-depth look. But basically it's candle range theory, and what I've just explained, the open, high, low, close. So if we're expecting a bearish close on the next candle, we'd expect it to open, take the liquidity from the high, and then target the low, or this low. In fact, this low would be because it's a thick full body close candle. So let's drop down to the M1 to see what I did for an entry. So price has moved, it's opened 9 AM. We've got our high in, and you can see there the high was swept. The high was swept on 6B, and it was left on the others. That's created a micro SMT. You can see the signal there. So my entry would now be, I would have put a sell stop order here because this is a precision swing point. You can see that's a bearish close candle there, bullish close candle here, and this would be perfect for a quick scalp. You could take it to range low, but I know that the thick candle above and there's liquidity below here. That's my target. And if we play price, so less than 42 minutes, you'll hit take profit.